Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a tomato coriander chutney for idli and dosa at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, here I took two tomatoes and I chopped that one, and here I have some fresh coriander leaves, and here I took three red chilies. So let's start the recipe. So take a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil, and in this I'm going to add the urud dal. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of urud dal, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chana dal. So here I'm using the same spoon, guys. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chana dal, and we have to mix all these things together. And in this I'm going to add these 3 red chilies also. So we have to fry this one until it becomes light brown in color, and in this I'm going to add these chopped tomatoes. So we have to fry the tomatoes for 1 to 2 minutes along with the urud dal and the chana dal. So after 1 to 2 minutes I'm going to add this chopped coriander. This chutney is the best for idli and dosa, guys. And you have to mix all these things together again. And in this I'm adding some salt according to your taste, how much salt you want. So when it becomes cool down, we have to grind it in the blender. For this recipe, no tamarind is required. If you want to add tamarind, you can add, but tamarind is optional. So yeah. So when it becomes cool down, we have to grind. So I grind this tomato and coriander as a very smooth paste, and it's time to do the tempering, guys. So for this tempering, what you need, take a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil. In this, I'm going to add the mustard seeds, the urud dal, the hing powder, and the fresh curry leaves. So the tempering is always must for all the chutneys, South Indian chutneys. So I'm going to add this one in this chutney. So the chutney is ready, guys. And today I'm making the sabudana idli. So this chutney is the best for that idli. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make tomato coriander chutney for idli and dosa at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.